In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Obsidian program from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have this program installed on your computer and you want to permanently remove it, then follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To uninstall Obsidian, you need to look for Control Panel program on your computer. If you don't see it, just go to Start menu here, and then if you tap on it, search for Control Panel like that, and then click on it to open. Under Control Panel, look for this option called Programs and Features. Tap on it to open. This will list all the programs that are installed on your computer. From this list, you want to scroll down until you find the program you wish to uninstall. For my case, I want to uninstall Obsidian. To uninstall it, just click on it and you'll see we have now the option to uninstall from here. You can also just uninstall by right clicking on the program and then choose uninstall. Now by doing that, just tap on next and this will begin an installation, and as you can see, it is done. We no longer have the program on our computer. Complete by clicking on finish, and now Obsidian program together with its files will completely be removed from your computer. If I go back to Control Panel, now we no longer have the Obsidian program here. So that's how you can completely uninstall Obsidian program from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.